South America. We do have South American animals, but she represents the waterways. So she'll be able to help conservation and talk about the waterways here, not just for the ride, but also here in the state.
How old is she?
She's 16 years old. She was arrested and broke her left knee. You'll see how it drips a little bit on the left side. It broke in half, and luckily one of the people or volunteers for the Legal Watch program found her. They were able to get a hold of Fish and Wildlife and take her to Audubon Center for Birds of Prey. It took about 11 months for her to recover, but after that was over with, Audubon requested us to give her a full-time home because she couldn't go back out in the wild due to her unfortunate break in her wing. So when an animal's deemed non-releasable, they have to find a forever home, and we are fortunate to be able to take care of her now for 15 years.
Aww.
What's her name?
Her name is Maddie, M-A-T-T-I-E.
She's so cute.
And Maddie not only represents here, but she actually travels. She probably has more frequent flyer miles than all of us put together. She travels to Washington, D.C. She's traveled to New York. She travels to Miami. She's traveled to Canada before as well, too. So these animals do a lot of traveling as well to be able to spread the word about our conservation efforts and also what we do here at SeaWorld.
Aww. She's probably met a lot more people than I have.
Oh, yes, she has.
Was she rescued from somewhere?
We had an iguana when I was little. His name was Gizmo. He got about that big, and then we had to get rid of him because
they keep going.
yeah.
What's his name?
Moonbeam. So he was a local rescue that now has a permanent home here at SeaWorld. He was found locally on the daycare center playground, and the kids at the daycare center named him. That's
Aww.
why he has that unusual name. I think it's fitting. Yeah.
Does he have a harness? Do you take him for walks?
Yes. Yes. I don't need it, but since he's not native and they can move pretty fast when they want to,
Yeah.
I use it just as a safety precaution. Most of the time he stays right around, you know, he walks pretty slow.
Does he stay here at SeaWorld or do you go home with?
No, he stays here. Yes, I have 3 kids, family at home.
Well, if you had him, you wouldn't need a dog.
Right.
And you wouldn't have a rodent problem.
Well, they're vegetarians, so I might not have any plants.
Thank you.